A Christchurch library is taking a novel approach to fighting crime. It's using a device that emits a sound which is only annoying to young people, generally anyone under 25. The Christchurch City Council says the mosquito device was only being used at night in the foyer of the Papanui Library until there was an assault during the day. Maya Burry reports.
The council says the decision to use the device during the day followed complaints about large groups of young people gathering outside Papanui Library and intimidating customers. It says recent feedback suggested the device, which cost about $1,300, was helping to manage that behaviour. Standing in the library's outdoor foyer this afternoon, there were no youths in sight. And whilst I could hear a high-pitched ring loud and clear, not everyone could.
I thought I did actually, but I just started walking up the steps, but no.
No, I can't hear anything.
It's quite piercing. It's like a beeping noise.
No. So does that mean our hearing's diminished?
The library is at the heart of the busy suburb. Papanui High School is just across the road, with Northlands Mall and a number of other restaurants and businesses also nearby. One local business owner who is frustrated with loitering youths is Sam Pun. His Cambodian restaurant is next door to the library. He says he's had to call the police a number of times and would like a device to use outside his business.
I see a lot of young kids that's hanging around the library and our shop, like just smoking and spitting around, and it's just disgusting. Sometimes they're swearing a lot outside, and it's disgusting. Because it's our food business and the customer don't like it, and we lost business of it as well.
Acting Sergeant Nick Adcock says the majority of young people respect Papanui's local facilities.
Naturally, it becomes a bit of a congregation spot for other young people in the area, especially with the free Wi-Fi and that sort of thing. So they do tend to congregate around that front door there. And there have been reports of people feeling intimidated by these groups sort of just loitering around out there.
The council says it is continuing to monitor and evaluate the use of the device, which isn't currently being used at other council facilities. But Shirley Papanui councillor Pauline Cotter says the device isn't the right approach to the problem.
I don't like the fact that we are producing this high-pitched noise that apparently only they can hear it, but it's a very horrible sound. And I wonder even if it's breaching a human rights issue, actually. And I feel sorry for the library staff and the other users of the library, absolutely. But there must be a better way.
Ms Cotter says the local community board will be discussing the issue at a meeting next week. In Christchurch for Checkpoint, Maya Burry.